Hello. Thank you for your purchase of the Pride Jazzy Carbon Fiber from Mobility Plus North Scottsdale. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to fold and unfold your power chair, allowing for ease of travel. To begin, to fold up your power chair, simply pull up on the yellow lever in the back of the chair and it will begin to fold up. We recommend taking hold of the handle on the back, top of the seat, and the footrest, making it easier to place into a seated folded position. While the chair is folded, you can take the strap located under the footplate and tie it up so that the chair itself doesn't unfold when you put it in your car. The battery is located right underneath the seat, and to remove, simply pull up on the lever beneath and lift out. To unfold the chair, take hold of the footplate and handle on the seat once more and begin to unfold until you hear a click. Charging your scooter is also very simple. Located right under the control panel on the arm, you will notice a place to insert your charger. Simply take the three-pronged end of the charger and insert it into the place designated for it, and plug the other end into any wall outlet. On the charger itself, you will notice a light, which indicates whether your device is charging and when it is finished. When the light is red, it is charging. When it is blinking green, it will be a trickle charge, meaning that it is almost done, just topping off. And finally, a solid green light means that it is done charging and you can unplug your scooter. Thank you so much and enjoy your device.